Welcome everyone for today morning session on the heart chakra. As we know, the heart chakra has three parts: the left heart, the center heart, and the right heart. The left heart, the residing deity is Sri Shiva and the Shakti is Parvati. Center heart, it's Sri Jagadamba, and the right heart is Sri Sita and Sri Rama. Today's program would be conducted by Yash, and he'll be taking us through the below three chakras and center heart and cleansing them using the Bij mantras. Every chakra has a petal. Like the Muladhara chakra has four petals, the Swadhisthana chakra has six petals, the Nabhi chakra has 10 petals, and the heart chakra has 12 petals. So the Bij mantra for Muladhara is Lam. So when we recite Lam for Muladhara, we say Om Lam 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 Om. The number of time the petal we recite Lam uh, using the number of petals. So for Swadhisthana we have to say Vam 6 times. For Navi we have to say Ram 10 times, and for heart we have to say Yam 12 times. Post that he'll be singing the Rag Durga for center heart, and post that we'll have bhajans for all the three sides of the heart chakra. So I hand it over to you, Yash. You can start with the bandhan.
Jesh Mataji, everyone will bow down, raise the kundalini, and take the bandhan. Jesh Mataji. Now we will start this with the beach mantras. Everyone, please pay the attention to your Mooladhara chakra, the first chakra. Om. Lam. 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 Oh.
Now we all can repeat. We all can repeat with Yash again.
Om. Lam. 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 Om.
Two more times.
Om. Lam. 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 attention on the Swadhisthana, the second chakra. Om Vam 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 Om. Everyone can repeat now. Om Vam 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 Om. We will take that again. Om Vam 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 Om. Om Vam 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 Om. Now, everyone, please put your attention on the third chakra, the Nabhi chakra. Om Ram 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 Om. Om Ram 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 Om. Om Ram 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 Om. Om Ram 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 Param Om. Now everyone please put the attention on the Anath, the heart chakra, the fourth chakra. Om Yam 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 Om.
You can say yum, 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 yum 4 times in one breath and do it thrice. So it will make 12 for the heart chakra petals.
Om Yam 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 Om. Om Yam 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 Yum 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 Om. Om Yum 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 Om.
A lot of people are requesting for you to increase volume.
To increase the volume.
Yeah.
Okay, now everyone please put the attention on the heart chakra. Now we will listen to a little bit of Rag Durga by putting our attention on the heart chakra. Vikas Bhaiya, I am audible?
Yes, if he is loud, you can tell now.
Now you can reduce the volume because my volume I cannot control now. It will be constant now.
If anyone feels he is very loud, they can tell now. Okay, please put to.
Okay. Rag Durga.
As the voice is breaking. Voice is breaking. Sorry to interrupt. Yash, please unmute your mic. Yash, not able to hear you. Please unmute your mic.
I think he has both mics on unmute. One mic can be put on mute.
Yash, I think he's singing now. He can't hear us.
Yes. Yes.
I am using my mobile.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were. There was a lot of noise. Please. Okay.
Okay. I'm completing this thing with the mobile. Then I will go back to that afterwards. Om Dhamma Sakshat Shri Durga Ma Jagadamba Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti माताजी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। आ, 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 Now everyone will keep their attention on the heart. Now we will put our attention on the left side of our heart. Amayang Bhaiya, I am going to use the screen sharing right now. Mayank Bhaiya, can you please stop your screen sharing? Now, while keeping the attention on the left side of our heart, now we will listen to this bhajan. Bhaiya, can you hear it?
डम 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 डम
Audible?
Yes, yes.
डमरू बजाए शिव शंकर कैलाशपति युग युग सोया जीव जगाए शिव शंकर कैलाशपति डम 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 डमरू बजाए शिव शंकर कैलाशपति युग युग सोया जीव जगाए शिव शंकर कैलाशपति ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय बोलो ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय बोलो ओम नमः शिवाय डम 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 डमरू बजाए शिव शंकर कैलाशपति कष्ट मिटाए शिव शंकर कैलाशपति युग युग सोया जीव जगाए शिव शंकर कैलाशपति डम 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 डमरू बजाए शिव शंकर कैलाशपति युग युग सोया जीव जगाए शिव शंकर कैलाशपति जटाजूट से बहती गंगा सबके पाप मिटाती जटाजूट से बहती गंगा सबके पाप मिटाती धरती और प्यासे जीवों की मैया प्यास बुझाती धरती और प्यासे जीवों की मैया प्यास बुझाती निज कृपा जग पर बरसाए शिव शंकर कैलाशपति युग युग सोया जीव जगाए शिव शंकर कैलाशपति डम 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 डमरू बजाए शिव शंकर कैलाशपति युग युग सोया जीव जगाए शिव शंकर कैलाशपति मंगलकारी नाम है उनका वो है शक्ति दाता मंगलकारी नाम है उनका वो है शक्ति दाता भवसागर से तर जाए वो जो शिव नाम है गाता भवसागर से तर जाए वो जो शिव नाम है गाता मोह माया से मन को छुड़ाए शिव शंकर कैलाशपति युग युग सोया जीव जगाए शिव शंकर कैलाशपति डम 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 डमरू बजाए शिव शंकर कैलाशपति युग युग सोया जीव जगाए शिव शंकर कैलाशपति युग युग सोया जीव जगाए शिव शंकर कैलाशपति युग युग सोया जीव जगाए शिव शंकर कैलाशपति
Now everyone please put the attention on the right side of the heart where the presiding deity is Sri Ramji. राम का गुणगान करिए राम का गुणगान करिए राम का गुणगान करिए राम प्रभु की भद्रता का सभ्यता का ध्यान धरिए ध्यान धरिए राम का गुणगान करिए राम का गुणगान। राम के गुण गुण चिरंतन, राम के गुण गुण चिरंतन, राम गुण सुमिरन रतन धन, राम गुण सुमिरन रतन धन। मनुजता को कर विभूषित, मनुज को धनवान करिए ध्यान, धरिए राम का गुणगान, करिए राम का गुणगान। सगुण ब्रह्म स्वरूप सुंदर, सगुण ब्रह्म स्वरूप सुंदर, सुजन रंजन रूप सुख कर, सुजन रंजन रूप सुख कर। राम आत्मा, राम आत्मा, राम को सम्मान करिए ध्यान, धरिए राम का गुणगान, करिए राम का गुणगान। राम का गुणगान करिए, राम प्रभु की भद्रता का, सभ्यता का ध्यान, धरिए ध्यान, धरिए राम का गुणगान, करिए राम का गुणगान, करिए राम का। Now we will put our attention in the middle of our heart. That's the center of the Durga Mata Jagdamba, the central heart. Now, while keeping the attention on the center heart, we will listen to this bhajan.
आई सिंह पे सवार मैया ओढ़े चुनरी, आई सिंह पे सवार मैया ओढ़े चुनरी, ओढ़े चुनरी ओ मैया ओढ़े चुनरी, ओढ़े चुनरी ओ मैया ओढ़े चुनरी। आई सिंह पे सवार मैया ओढ़े चुनरी, आई सिंह पे सवार मैया ओढ़े चुनरी। आदिशक्ति है मात भवानी, जय दुर्गे महाकाली। आदिशक्ति है मात भवानी, जय दुर्गे महाकाली। बड़े बड़े राक्षस संहारे रणचंडी मतवाली, बड़े बड़े राक्षस संहारे रणचंडी मतवाली। करती भक्तों का उद्धार मैया ओढ़े चुनरी, करती भक्तों का उद्धार मैया ओढ़े चुनरी, ओढ़े चुनरी ओ मैया ओढ़े चुनरी, ओढ़े चुनरी ओ मैया ओढ़े चुनरी। आई सिंह पे सवार मैया ओढ़े चुनरी, आई सिंह पे सवार मैया ओढ़े चुनरी। महिषासुर सा महाबली देवों को खूब सताया, महिषासुर सा महाबली देवों को खूब सताया। इंद्रासन और देवों को मार भगाया। छीन लिया इंद्रासन और देवों को मार भगाया। करी देवों ने पुकार मैया रक्षा तू करी। करी देवों ने पुकार मैया रक्षा तू करी। रक्षा तू करी ओ मैया रक्षा तू करी। रक्षा तू करी ओ मैया रक्षा तू करी। आई सिंह पे सवार मैया ओढ़े चुनरी। आई सिंह पे सवार मैया ओढ़े चुनरी। दुर्गा का अवतार लिया झट महिषासुर संहारी। दुर्गा का अवतार लिया झट महिषासुर संहारी। दूर किया देवों का संकट लीला तेरी न्यारी। दूर किया देवों का संकट लीला तेरी न्यारी। किया देवों का उद्धार मैया रक्षा तू करी। किया देवों का उद्धार मैया रक्षा तू करी। रक्षा तू करी ओ मैया रक्षा तू करी। रक्षा तू करी ओ मैया रक्षा तू करी। आई सिंह पे सवार मैया ओढ़े चुनरी। आई सिंह पे सवार मैया ओढ़े चुनरी। निर्मल माता मात भवानी आदिशक्ति श्री कुंडलिनी। निर्मल माता मात भवानी आदिशक्ति श्री कुंडलिनी। जग अंधियारा मिटाने वाली मन में ज्योत जगाने वाली। जग अंधियारा मिटाने वाली मन में ज्योत जगाने वाले। द्वारे पे आए हैं मैया दर्शन पाने को। तेरे द्वार पे आए हैं मैया दर्शन पाने को। दर्शन पाने को मैया दर्शन पाने को। दर्शन पाने को ओ मैया दर्शन पाने को। आई सिंह पे सवार मैया ओढ़े चुनरी। आई सिंह पे सवार मैया ओढ़े चुनरी। ओढ़े चुनरी ओ मैया ओढ़े चुनरी। ओढ़े चुनरी ओ मैया ओढ़े चुनरी। आई सिंह पे सवार मैया ओढ़े चुनरी। आई सिंह पे सवार मैया ओढ़े चुनरी। आई सिंह पे सवार मैया ओढ़े चुनरी।
Jai Shri Mataji. Now I will request Vikas Bhaiya to take over the session.
Yash, can we all collectively sing Jagadamba, Jagadamba, Jai Jagadamba?
Yes, we
Can
will
you just
sing.
teach us? Can you teach us all? This is a very, very strong, not a bhajan or a mantra. We all can sing when we feel in distress or we feel heaviness on the center heart, or
Yes.
we feel little dry, not full of love, full of hatred. So, yes, we can keep our mics muted and try reciting it with Yash.
So it's very simple. What we have to do, uh, we have to just take the name of the goddess Jagdamba. So what we will do, we will put our right hand on our center heart and close our eyes, and everyone will be reciting Jagdamba, Jagdamba, and that has to be done 12 times. And how I can do that, like it can be done like 4 into 3 in that style we will do. So we will say Ma, then Jagdamba 12 times, and this process we will complete 3 times. So let's do it together. First we will say Ma, and then Jagdamba, Jagdamba, that is 12 times, 4 into 3. So let's start it. Ma Jagadamba 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 Jagadamba. Now we will do it again. Ma Jagadamba 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 Jagadamba. Now finally we will do it again, the last time. Ma Jagadamba 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 Jagadamba. Namo Namaha. Namo Namaha means we offer our namaskar. So this is it. Whenever you are feeling afraid or you are not full of energy or anything, so you can get your confidence back while doing this. And even if you are at some other place, you can do it in your heart also. That's also a way to do it. And now I will request Vikas Bhaiya to take over the session. Yes, Bhaiya?
Can you say that? Jagadamba, Jagadamba. Yeah.
So we have a very nice school, Sahaj Yoga School, in which we teach the children these prayers, but in a musical and in a very lively form. So a very nice prayer, we know that we sing it in a musical form. So it's like this: Jagadamba Jagadamba He Jagadamba 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 He Jagadamba Shri Durga Shri Mata Ji Shri Durga Shri Mata Ji Jagadamba Jagadamba Jai Jagadamba 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 Jai Jagadamba Shri Durga Shri Mata Ji Shri Durga Shri Mata Ji. So it's for the children, and it's a very nice way, and even elder people can do it if they like it.
Mayank, can you just, we will all go into meditation now. And just take a deep breath. Hold it on our heart. And now release. Do it thrice. Now we request Mataji. Please make that thoughtless. Take into meditation. Just pray to Shri Mataji. Shri Mataji, please make me thoughtless and take me into meditation. श्री माताजी कृपया मुझे निर्विचार कर दें और ध्यान में ले जाएं। If thoughts are coming, you just say, these are not my thoughts. Neti, neti. Shri Mataji, please make me thoughtless. In this state, we'll listen to a short 3 minutes video of Shri Mataji. Mayank, please play.
Now, so we come to the deeper problems of this world. Is that the mental projection has now shown clearly. Be with me, all of you. Try to understand. It's a very deep problem. that if you go to the left or to the right, you jump into the extremes, into the problems, and you create problems. So we have to keep everybody in the center. And to keeping in the center, we have to ascend. Now the problem is that we have many people who have come to Sahaja Yoga. This was never achieved before, never achieved before. For that, the main reason was that it was impossible to penetrate into the minds of the people and tell them what is to be done. Everybody tried their level best. Today only I was discussing Buddha. I said Buddha tried his level best to tell people that they should get out of nonsensical ritualism and get to their salvation. He tried everything. So when he died, they said, all right, he has said not to make any statues, we'll make stupas. So they made stupas. That they started worship. Just the opposite what he said, that just now you get your salvation, your cleansing, introspection, and the middle path. He even went up to the idea that don't have families. If the families means this nonsense, you just take to renunciation within yourself so that you see all these things. But as usual, as they were again consolidated into their nonsensical things, they made big stupas and things and worshipped. You see that in the life of Christ. You see that in the life of Mahavira. You see that in the lives of all the great incarnations and prophets, the Islam and everything. Same thing has happened, that they have perverted it. But who has perverted? Who has spoiled? The whole essence of every great incarnation. It was spoiled by the disciples themselves because they were not realized. Now the deep problem I find it is the women who are supposed to be my disciples will be spoiling Sahaja Yoga. Very clearly I can see it now. I can see it so clearly, absolutely clearly. They are going to spoil because they have become very dominating. Because they think they know Sahaja Yoga. Because they think they have become very great. A leader's wife thinks she is the leader herself. If you call somebody that, all right, come and do this much job for me, the wife thinks she has a right on her husband more than mother has. It's the women who are the culprit today, and that's why I want to warn you. Now I have seen it. I can point it out at least 10 women like that who have done it. And now the 11th is just here. This is what it is. And I have to request you to understand that the responsibility will be on you. When it will be written down in history, as Ramayana was written, it was the maid servant of Kaikeyi, the mother, the stepmother of Rama, is the one who is responsible for the whole of thing that happened in Ramayana. But that was to happen. But where is that Manthara today? And where is that Kaikeyi? That Indians do not take their names. They spit if anybody takes that name. The dogs they have gone. They thought that time they have achieved a lot. This is what I have to tell you. If you want to go like that down in the history, because this is a very precarious time we are facing. We have to be very, very careful about ourselves. What are we up to? What are we doing? I deal with the present moment and the present times. And I don't want to say what will happen to you in future. If you have to go to hell, you can go. I'm not going to say who is going to go to hell and who is going to go to heavens. But it is for you to decide through your introspection to understand. what's going to happen. And I have to specially make a very important request to the women that in these modern times, they are the ones who are going to save the world, not the men. They have done their job before. Now it is for you to save with your understanding, with your compassion, with your sacrifices.
We'll all go down to Shrimataji's within us and take Bandhan and meditate for 2-3 minutes after that. Jai Shrimataji. You, Leela Aunty. In our heart, we thank Shrimataji for cleansing our heart chakra. Also, thank Yash for the wonderful session. I think he's left for his school.
Yeah, I'm here with my
I
mobile.
feel like talking after this session, but still, if anyone has any questions, he can ask to Leela Auntie. I think Abhilasha is raising her hand. Or else we'll just leave. Jai Shri Mataji. Yeah, you can stop recording.
Jai Shri Mataji.